little road trip. We are currently near downtown Winston-Salem on US 52 South, probably one of the most dangerous roads you could ever encounter. But we are headed to a town called China Grove, North Carolina. No, that has nothing to do with the Doobie Brothers, before anyone asks. We're heading there. It's not far from Charlotte, actually. We're heading there to pick up a birthday present that my wife has gotten me, and it's something kind of special. Believe it or not, it is a Packard Bell. We're getting another Packard Bell this month. This will be number 2 for the month of December. And this is a designer tower Packard Bell, which I no longer have. I had to sell them all off a long time ago, unfortunately. So I'll be adding one back to the collection again. I believe this is a Packard Bell Legend 1540 Supreme, probably built around the same time as my Legend 1510 Supreme that we're all very familiar with. And it comes with the computer, the Packard Bell CRT mouse, Packard Bell mouse that is, and Packard Bell keyboard. Don't know if it comes with any manuals or the microphone or any of that good stuff, but we'll wait and see. So we're going to see if we can get out of Winston-Salem here. The traffic, of course, is not very terrific. Around some of these cars, or trucks, I should say. And again, I'm driving my wife's 2011 CRV. Honda CRV, that is. So I guess I'll resume the video when there's something more interesting to look at. Okay, I'm on I-85 South, headed toward Charlotte, which we won't be seeing today, and we're crossing the Yadkin River now, going into Rowan County, which means we are now leaving the Piedmont Triad area, which consists of Greensboro and Winston-Salem, and now headed into the Charlotte metro area. So that means completely different TV stations, completely different area code, all that good stuff. So I am far away from home now. So according to my GPS, we're 14 miles away from the exit I need to take, which is nice. And of course, I'm not going to show the person's house or anything in the video. But anyway, we will resume later. Okay, we're getting near the exit for
68 on right to North Carolina 152, then enter roundabout.
That GPS interrupts me at the most inconvenient times. Okay, we're getting near our exit for China Grove. We actually took this exit last year in my Charlotte thrifting video, because I commented on how they completely changed this exit up here. And what's interesting about the town of China Grove, I may have said this before, is that China Grove is where I actually went to pick up my Carolina Circle Mall restroom sign back in 2006.
Exit 68 on right.
And so this Packard Bell isn't the first treasure to come from the town of China Grove. Alright, here we go.
Take first exit to North Carolina 152.
I remember this exit being a bit confusing, so we'll try our best to get through here. Okay, I think someone needs to be going. Okay.
Take second exit to North Carolina 152.
Alright, let's figure this out.
Take ramp on right to US 29 South.
Okay, I think I'm doing this right. GPS hasn't yelled at me yet. Alright. That's how we do it. So, this is China Grove, I think.
Continue 2.8 miles, then turn right on East Ryder Avenue.
And this BP station right there on the right is where I got the restroom sign at. That's where I met the guy. Alright, I will resume the video, I guess, when I have the computer. Well, I just picked it up, and here it is, and here's the monitor that fell over when I came to a stop. I'm gonna have to put that in a better spot in the car, but here it is, Legend 1540 Supreme. It was manufactured in October of 1996. So I better move this monitor somewhere where it won't fall again, and hopefully it survived that. We'll need some cleaning up, but anyway, let's head back home to Kernersville. Alright, leaving China Grove now. Get on.
Roundabout. Take second exit to North Carolina 152.
I need to run over that thing. Well, that got violent. I'm gonna get on I-85 north, and we're gonna head back toward home to more familiar territory, because this is not very familiar to me at all, to be perfectly honest with you. But I got a bite to eat, but most importantly, we got the Packard Bell, and we're going to take it back home to Kernersville, which is about an hour away from here.
152.
Probably need to be in the other lane.
Take second exit to North Carolina 152.
Alrighty. Never cared for roundabouts.
Turn left onto I-85 North.
Alrighty. Away we go.
Turn left onto I-85 North.
Hopefully traffic won't be too bad.
Continue 19 miles on I-85 North.
Dog's trying to check out the new Packard Bell. Okay, I've got it hooked up right here. We're going to give it a quick test run. Forgive me, I'm out of breath. It was not an easy feat getting everything wired up, but okay, that means I've never seen one do that before. That's interesting. Huh. It's not turning on. Bizarre. Hang on. Okay, I think I may have found the problem. I think it was just as simple as the power cord not being plugged in all the way into the outlet, so here we go. Okay, we'll need to adjust that. But it's working. Probably going to have a dead CMOS battery. Yep. Wonder what year it thinks it is. Yep, January 1st, 1990. I need to go to the store and get a battery. But starting Windows 95, this is probably the original install on here, by the way. And according to the rear sticker, this was built, I believe, October 22nd, 1996, and the QA seal has not been broken, which I will show at a later time. Here's the specs. It's got a 2 gig hard drive, 133 megahertz Intel Pentium processor, and 16 megs of RAM. And for some reason, looks like the video driver's screwed up. And the reason there's no sound was because I had the speaker turned down. Monitor seems to work. And the computer seems to work. Well, I was making that noise this morning after eating too much pizza last night, but normally I've never heard that come out of a computer before. But let's just see if everything's accounted for. Probably has the jungle sound scheme on, to be more realistic. This is the Corner Packard Bell keyboard and mouse, by the way, I'm using. Okay, let's go to System. Okay, that's probably our video problem right there. It's got a video driver in there that shouldn't be there, I don't think. Do we have system credentials, I wonder? Let's find out. Yes, we do. Legend 1540 Supreme. Yes, I'm handheld, so forgive me. Here's our format number. I will be backing up the system credentials master boot record, because I do plan on giving this a 8 GB CF card, as well as a RAM upgrade. Yep, October 22nd, 1996. Ooh, well, I will be doing some upgrades to this computer. Okay, I got the video driver fixed, even though I'm not going to be keeping this installed, but one thing I'd like to make note of is this document right here. Yeah, don't open this. Something very awful will happen to you if you open that, so yeah. So let's get to upgrading. Okay, I haven't had a chance to really show the back of it. It's a 680 board, of course. There's our sound modem card, which is hidden by a shadow almost. And our rear I/O. And our sticker saying that it was built October 22nd, 1996. Let's pop it open. As a matter of fact, the QA seal is pristine. It's never been broken until now. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Breaking the seal. Oh. Well, I thought we were. Come on. Boy, that's a tough seal. I might have to just cut it with something. And again, it's been on here for over 25 years now. Ah! There we go. Warranty is now void. We have voided the warranty, folks. It's official. Okay. Let's get this flipped around. This is not a very good spot to be working on this, but I really have no choice in the matter. Alright, first things first, as always, let's replace the CMOS battery with a brand new one. And this one's not going to be doing us any good anymore, so that can go away. And we'll put this brand spanking new Energizer battery in. There we go. Okay, you're probably not going to see this too well, but let's add some extra memory to this system. I don't know how much we'll be adding to it, because EDO is very unpredictable. Hopefully we can get this in here without having to unplug these ribbon cables. Packard Bells were not known for their upgradability, but you just got to know how to work them. And it would help if I don't put the RAM in upside down. That's not going to do us any good at all. Okay. We'll turn it around and see if it'll go in this way. Bingo. And where's the other stick? Oh yeah. Basically, we're going to try to max out this system. Sort of. And yes, this will be taking the place of the corner Packard Bell. Corner Packard Bell still works great. It's not going anywhere. But, you know, we just got to have a change of scenery every now and then. So, we'll let this have its spot for a while, and then we'll switch it back out for the corner one. It's too close to these ribbon cables that I do not want to pull out, because they would be impossible to get back on without having to take more of the computer apart. Next, we're going to take this Pentium 133 out, hopefully, and we're going to put in this Intel MMX overdrive chip out of the Corner Packard Bell. We're borrowing it for the time being. Hang on. Okay, we'll go ahead and pop it in here. Okay, it feels secure. Bingo. Okay, let's add some expansion cards, starting with a CF card adapter, which I already have plugged in. Just plug in this 8 gig card right here, like so. Or however, which way it wants to go. Had a busy day. I can't think straight. There we go. And we'll take out one of this blanking plate right here. And place it right here. Okay. And it came loose. Next, we'll add this 3D Effects Voodoo card taken from the Corner Packard Bell. I feel bad taking stuff out of that computer, but it needs its rest. If I can go. Okay, I did the rest of the expansion cards off camera. It got to be too big a pain doing it on camera, but I think I got them. I added the 3D Effects card and the network card, which is a Netgear card. So let's test this before we put it back together. Okay, it's posting, but we're still seeing the same amount of RAM as before, which causes me some concern. Okay, we'll go to Setup. Okay, now it's seeing 32 megs according to that. So let's set the date. Today is December the 16th of 2021, and it is 8:19 p.m. and everything seems to be accounted for here. Now, why is this showing 16 megs? I just don't understand. NVRAM data invalid, NVRAM cleared. What does that mean? Huh. Let's just do this. Still 16 megs for some reason. It's not seeing the... What does NVRAM mean? Okay, missing operating system, I knew that. What? Well, it's been a day later, and I'm fully refreshed, and I did some more diagnostics and troubleshooting off camera, and I am happy to say that our NVRAM error has gone the way of the dodo. I've updated the BIOS to the latest version for the PB680 motherboard, and as you can see here, we no longer get the error. Unfortunately, we're still having that weird issue where the post screen is still showing 16 megs, but the BIOS is reporting the actual amount that I have installed, which is now 48 megs. I've swapped it out for some other memory since last time you saw me put the memory in here. So, I'm happy to say, other than that, everything seems fine. Once we get Windows installed on here, we'll see how much memory it reports and see if that little discrepancy is just that, a discrepancy. So I think I will do the software restore off camera, and I will see you on the other side. Okay, we're booting into Windows 95 for the first time on this installation, that is. And so far everything's been working fine on here. Big question, of course, is if it's reporting the right amount of memory. And looking back, I probably could have just booted from a memtest86 disk to see what it was before I did this, but oh well, this will work as well. Just waiting for Navigator to load. Oh, too familiar with this screen.
Welcome from Packard Bell. We offer you 2 computing environments to choose from.
That's
Microsoft's
nice.
Navigator or
Okay, it's wanting to reboot for some reason. Hang on. Okay, now we're rebooted, hopefully for good now. Well, moment of truth. Let's see if what we're seeing here for memory. Come on. 16 megs. That's a problem. Yeah. We're going to have to do some troubleshooting again, it looks like. Hang on. You know, a lot of times it's just the simplest solution that does the trick. I just switch the sticks of RAM around to the opposite end, and that seems to have taken care of that problem. So, yeah, I think it's safe to say our upgrades were a success. Of course, there's our Ethernet card and video, our Voodoo card there, awaiting drivers. Got ourselves a nice Trio 64V Plus from S3 for video, with 1 meg of memory, of course. Now we did put a 2 gig CF card in here. I mean an 8 gig CF card in here, but we've only got a 2 gig partition on here because this is 95A. We're going to have to upgrade it to 95B, but not in this video. I'm going to call this a video for now. I'm going to put this computer back together. But I hope you enjoyed this escapade. If you want to see more about this computer once I have it set up, check out this channel on Christmas Day. This will be the subject of my Christmas Day video. And so I hope you stay tuned for that. Until next time, this is Billy Core, signing off. Thank you for visiting the Nostalgia Mall. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You may also support me on Patreon if you would like. The links to these are in the description below. Until next time, this is Billy Core wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.